So today we want to look at the terminals on a contactor. This is a 32 arm contactor. So if you look at this contactor very well, if you place it like this, you will have 1, 3, 5. And at the base you have 2, 4, 6. 1, 3, 5 takes line 1, line 2, and line 3. Your line 1, line 2, and line 3, we believe they are coming from a source like your MCB, your miniature circuit breaker. So if they go in, their output is so referred to here as T1, T2, T3, which are going into the overload relay. So however, if we have 1, 3, 5 as your input, we have 2, 4, 6 as our output. We also have 13 and 14, and we have 21 and 22. These ones are referred to as the retaining contacts. These retaining contacts, the first one up is called normally open. The second one is called what? Normally closed. So this is normally closed, and this is normally what? Open. Normally open, and this is normally what? Closed. We can use our push buttons to represent that. This is normally open, and this is what? Normally closed. Why? The reason why we call this normally open is because the system is always off. It is off. With this, it is closed, so it is on. This is on. This is off. This on is closed. This off is open. So if we have this as our normally open, which is the off, this is it here, NO, which is normally what? Open. This normally open, the system is open and it is off. So if you want it to come on, you press this. So once you press it, it has now become closed. The system is now on. So this is normally open. This one is always on. It means the system is always what? On. So if you want to put it off, you press this down. So once you press the red button, it goes off. That's normally what? Closed. But my objective today is to show you how to identify the normally open and the normally closed on the contactor. So on this contactor, we have these contacts and this contact. Which one is normally open and which one is normally what? Closed. You can use your meter, your multimeter. You can set it to the beep on the ohm meter. You can use the beep sound so that one can help to identify on time that it is on. For normal, if you test these two contacts, if it is normally open, the meter will not beep. This meter is okay. If this is normally open, this meter will not what? Beep. Is that okay? So this is normally open, so it will not beep. To confirm that this is actually normally what? Open, trigger this on, let's see. So you see that now, it is now on. Once you release it, it has become open. It will not function. So these two contacts are normally what? Open. Now these ones here, they are normally what? Closed. Because it's normally closed, it means the system is always what? On. Once you tap on it, the meter will beep immediately. So this is normally what? Closed. You have closed it, so it is on. To confirm that this is normally closed, press this down. You have put it off. At this point, it has turned to on. Have you seen that now? So that is how you can identify your normally open and your normally closed on the contactor. I hope you have learned something on this today.